You won't believe this, but platypuses actually sweat milk. No, I'm not kidding. They don't have nipples, so the milk literally oozes out of pores in their skin for their babies to lick up. And that's not even the weirdest thing about them. When scientists first discovered the platypus back in 1799 and sent a specimen to Europe, everyone thought it was a prank. They were convinced some practical joker had sewn a duck's bill and feet onto the body of a beaver. It took years for them to accept that this bizarre creature was real. The platypus is so unique, it feels like nature just took a bunch of leftover animal parts and mashed them all together. Let's talk about their babies. Platypuses are mammals, but they don't give birth to live young. They're part of an exclusive group called Monotremes, and they lay eggs. There are only 2 types of egg-laying mammals in the entire world, and the platypus is one of them. The female lays 1 to 3 small, leathery eggs in a burrow and incubates them by curling her warm body around them. When the babies, called puggles, hatch, that's when the milk sweating begins. It is a fascinating and incredibly rare reproductive strategy that sets them apart from almost every other mammal on the planet. Now, you might think they look cute and cuddly, but don't get too close to a male platypus. They have a secret weapon hidden on their back ankles, a sharp, venomous spur. This spur can deliver a toxin so potent it can kill a dog and cause excruciating, long-lasting pain in humans. It's one of the very few venomous mammals in the world. They mostly use this venom during mating season to fight off rival males, but it's a powerful reminder that this odd-looking creature is also a formidable survivor. It's like they have a built-in James Bond gadget, just in case. Here's another mind-blower. Platypuses don't have a stomach. At all. Their throat, the esophagus, connects directly to their intestines. You and I need a stomach with strong acids to break down complex foods, but a platypus's diet of soft-bodied invertebrates, like worms and shrimp, is so simple to digest that they just don't need one. Evolution basically said, you know what? Let's just skip that whole stomach organ. You'll be fine. It's an incredibly efficient, minimalist design that works perfectly for their lifestyle. Imagine having no stomach. What would that even feel like? So, if they don't have a stomach, how do they even find their food? This is where it gets really cool. When a platypus dives underwater, it hunts completely blind. It shuts its eyes, ears, and nose tight. Instead, it uses a kind of superpower, electroreception. Its duck-like bill is covered in thousands of tiny sensors that can detect the faint electrical fields generated by the muscle contractions of its prey. It's like having a built-in metal detector, but for living things. They sweep their heads side to side, mapping out the electrical signals in the murky water to pinpoint exactly where a tasty shrimp or larva is hiding. It's a sixth sense that turns them into highly effective underwater hunters. And just when you think the platypus can't get any stranger, it turns out they glow in the dark. I know, it sounds like something from a fantasy movie, but it's true. Under an ultraviolet or black light, their brown fur glows with a stunning bluish-green light. This phenomenon is called biofluorescence. Scientists are still trying to figure out exactly why they have this trait. Maybe it helps them see each other in low light, or maybe it's a form of camouflage from predators that can see in the UV spectrum. Whatever the reason, it just adds another layer of mystery to this already unbelievable animal. From venomous spurs to sweating milk and glowing fur, the platypus truly is one of nature's greatest and most wonderful oddities. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about this crazy creature, make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.